Okay, it's New Year's Eve 2009. Actually, it just turned midnight, so okay, let's push the button. The one you want to push is the one that says attack with the yellow there, and that will start the Thunderbolt. And there it goes. And now let's run outside and get the Model 5 going. Wouldn't stand too close to it. You ready? Press the cancel button on that. And there's a button called cancel. Push that and that'll stop it. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!